The hair system today that I'm actually going to be installing is a LaVivid hair system, which is super exciting. Get to try that out. It is the Crius model in a like blonde 7, and it's got a poly border as well as a French lace interior, just like you know that I like. So I'm pretty excited to give this a try. So I'm going to be cutting it myself, installing it myself, and then I'm going to go see a hairstylist today who's actually not hair system trained, but that's okay. I've decided that I want to give her a try and see how she does. So I'm really excited to see how all this goes, and we can talk about it after. So let's jump over. Alright guys, so this is the LaVivid Crius system that I just got installed. Guys, I kind of love it. This is a longer look than what I had previously, and I haven't washed my hair yet. This is actually the day after I got it installed now. So obviously it's a bit poofy. That's natural. That happens with every stock system. Once you install it, it gets cut and stuff. It has that poof from being curled up when you first get it. So I think it's going to turn out really, really nice. I already like it. So let's check out the hairstyle. So I think that she did a great job. This is actually someone who has never worked with a hair system before in her life. I think that she did a really good job on the blending and matching the cut up. So let's actually talk about the Crius system itself. So far, I'm in love with the product. I think it's high quality. The polyurethane feels like a really great product, like it's gonna have a lot of longevity. The lace felt great. As far as I could tell, everything about the system was up to standard, and I had really no problem cutting the system down, installing it, all of the things. So one thing did happen, however, that was interesting, and I think this is actually an error on my part. And that was the fact that when I tried to install the system, I put tape all around it as I usually do, and the tape wasn't really sticking to the bottom of the polyurethane. So I took all of it off. And the reason I think that it didn't stick is I think that there might be a film as it's produced on it, which is my fault. I should have washed it with dish soap before, just to make sure that the polyurethane surface was completely clean of any film before I even started. And that's a good practice no matter what you're doing. We want to make sure that there is nothing contaminating the bond between the hair system and the tape, and your scalp protector, or just your scalp. We want to have it as pure as can be, make sure everything is good to go. So once I fixed that error, it was great. Now the stylist, who, keep in mind, this is her first time ever seeing a hair system in her life, she could not believe that it was fake hair. She could not believe that it was a hair system. She was literally like, I would not be able to tell that you're wearing a hair system. It looks so good. She did such a great job on it. And I'm really enjoying having the longer hair. You know, my plans over the next couple months is to continually lengthen my hair systems, because I want to have a longer hairstyle. And this is a great way for you as well to kind of ease into having a longer style if you want to, just like me. Go in stages, wear your hair, let the sides grow out, get a new system that's a little bit longer, grow your sides out some more, even if they cut it back a little bit. Get a new system after that that's even longer. Keep on growing your hair out. This is the long game, guys. If it's weird or your hair on the sides isn't really long enough to have a longer cut, just make sure that the top fits the sides, okay? That's really all you got to do. So anyways, once again, guys, thank you to LaVivid for sponsoring this video right here. Super excited that they're here sponsoring videos. That way we can bring educational information to you and to everybody else. We'll talk to you soon.